Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make adult bodice block. We'll make the bodice block step by step and the required measurements for making the bodice block is length 15 inches, round bust 40 inches, round waist 36 inches and across shoulder will be 15 inches. So I'm going to make the adult bodice block. For making the adult bodice block, what I have done, I have taken the brown paper on which I will make the draft. The length is 15 inches and the width I have taken is 19 inches according to the bust size which I need. So accordingly I am going to make now step by step. So I have drawn the block like this. I have drawn the block, you can see it. I have drawn the block. On this block now I am going to make the steps. For first step I will take the center of this 15 inches, center is 7.5 inches. I will take the 7.5 inches and then I will make a line in the center. Now again of this 7.5 inches I will take the center. .75 inches. Like this I will mark the line here. Then again I will make the center. It will come out to be about 1.75. You can calculate the center by taking the length and mark the center and then mark the line. Now I will take the center of this. My round bust is 40 inches, so I will take 20 inches length. Now I will take the center of this line. Like this I have marked the center. So now I am going to make the back. This is our back and this is our front. So now I am going to make the back. For back I will go first, I will make the neckline. I will take the 1/12 of round bust, that will come out to be 3 inches. So on 3 inches I will mark the 3 inches length, width of the neck, and then I will join this line. By using the French curves, you can use the French curves to make the neckline. In this way, I'll mark my neckline. Now, as my across shoulder is 15 inches, so I'll take a point as 7.5 inches from here till this level. Like starting from the neckline till 7.5, I have marked this line. Okay. Now, I will mark a line on a perpendicular. On this line, I'll mark the line. Now, I'll join this neck point till the intersecting line, first line. Right? Now, I'm going to make the armhole area. We will make the armhole on this line like making a curve by giving a straight curve on this line. This is our armhole. And now I'm going to make the front. As my back is completed, just waist is left. So as my waist is 36, so I'll take 2 inches from here, 1 inches from here, and I'll mark the waistline. This is our waist seam line. So now I'm shift to front. For front, I'm going to take the 3 inches for the front neckline. Like this. I'll mark here. For making the curve, what I will do, I'll make the curve from this line. Like this. As I have marked my front neckline, Now I am going to mark the shoulder line. So for shoulder line, what I will do, I will join this point, this shoulder point of back with the front neck in a diagonal line, like this. You can see it, I have marked it, right? As I have taken this as 3 inches my neck width, so 4.5 inches is left with me for the shoulder marking. So on this line, I will take the 4.5 inches mark, like this. I'll mark it. I have marked my shoulder line. On this line, I will make a perpendicular till the line, till the center line. I'll make a perpendicular. It will come a bit diagonal because as this is the diagonal line, when perpendicular is made on it, it will be diagonal. So for making the front armhole, I'll go inside half inches from this point and mark this line as a diagonal line for upper armhole and join the curve. You can use French curves for making the curves as armhole curve or neckline, like this. This is my front armhole. And now, as my front armhole front is almost complete, I will take 1 inch from the waist and mark the waist seam line, joining the armhole line till the seam line. So now I'll mark the front area as grain line. It will cut on the fabric as on grain. I will mark my grain line as this is my on grain. On grain. This will also be on grain, my back. This will come on fold. My front will also come on fold. I have completed my adult bodice block.